Good morning everybody, it's Chris here with the 4 majors notice update for the 24th of 11th 2011. Okay, I'm just going to start with the Euro against US dollar this morning on our 6 time frame CTC strategy template on our daily. Just have a look at the daily time frame to get an idea of yesterday's movement and what we could expect today. Let's have a look. So you'll notice that 2 days ago we had this huge indecision candle, almost a piercing candle, pierced below the 20 period moving average and then subsequently moved and closed higher. And then yesterday we saw the euro climb favorably against the US dollar, which took it above this swing, so broke the trend, intermediate swing trend for that, and now we're trading higher than the previous high, which is these two here that we saw back in early Feb. If I can just extend that, you can see we've broken and closed higher. Okay, what we want to see now is obviously this momentum to continue to the upside, and then our next target would be roughly the high of the previous swing, which we saw in late January, if I'm not mistaken, sorry, the 2nd of Feb this year, and roughly around the 1383 mark. Okay, so as it stands now, a lot of indecision on the Asian market trading side. We've seen pair trading higher to yesterday's high around about 13784, but consolidating and now trading on the bottom end of that base. Very indecisive as we go into the European session. Let's have a look at the intraday charts. Yeah, you can see how the momentum has stopped at that high, and as we stand now you can see that literally now at the open of the European session we're starting to see a very negative sell candle. This is an hourly chart, topped out at 137,800, and now we're now testing trend to the downside. Okay, CTC is however still in blue, so still an up move nonetheless, but as we move to our smaller time frames, i.e. 15 and 5 minute, you can see that we've now broken trends and moving averages. Red candles are that. All we really need now is the CTC template itself on the up and down side to go red, and then we should be looking for opportunities for shorting. Just be aware that on a 50-minute chart as we speak, price is moving close to a previous support and resistance line around the 137,400 mark, so be aware. Got to break that, and then we're looking at some clean air between that and the next resistance level around about the 1370 mark, which will bring us in tie with the 200 period moving average. So keep that in mind. This could be just a pullback, so keep it in mind. You can see on the 30-minute time frame, for example, we're now testing that previous support and resistance, okay, which is also in tie with the 50 period moving average as we speak. The uptrend has been broken. You can see that this previous high, the high that we had now is lower than the other one, so you can see that the momentum is shifting, and now we're seeing price move down as we speak. Okay, so be aware of that when you are looking for potential setups this morning. Okay guys, that's Euro against US dollar. I'll be back next with the sterling against US dollar.